Bon Jovi performed a set of their hits in Central Park in New York City on Saturday, July 12th, in honor of the All-Star Game at Yankee Stadium. The stadium is in its last year and is the most hallowed ground in baseball. The band performed Livin' on a Prayer, Runaway, and You Give Love a Bad Name, among others. Earlier in the week, singer Jon Bon Jovi was in Detroit as part of an initiative between Saturn Motors, Habitat for Humanity, and his Philadelphia Soul Foundation, which is the charitable part of his arena football team. He talked about why the issue of housing strikes a chord in him.
I picked the idea of affordable housing and breaking the chains of poverty one night while I was viewing out of a hotel window in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the birthplace of our nation, the place where our forefathers wrote the Declaration of Independence. And as I saw a man sleeping on the steps of the City Hall in the middle of the winter, I thought this isn't what they were thinking at the time. And we had been involved in a lot of little things. If it was a Covenant house or an AIDS house or a veterans hospital and a playground at a foster home, we were Robin Hood. You called the soul, and the soul could fix it, the soul could fix it. But this was something that I said, it doesn't matter if you're young or you're old, you're rich or you're poor, you're white, you're black, Republican or Democrat. Homelessness can affect anyone at any given time.
As part of the initiative, Jon Bon Jovi announced the building of 5 homes in the Morningside community on Detroit's east side. The houses have just been torn down and the first wall was put up. Construction is set to complete by November.